cross center, Navy films show home fronters with type O blood in their veins contributing to the first consignment of whole blood to fly the Pacific. A portable refrigerator for keeping live blood alive. Refrigerators reach Oakland, where planes of the Naval Air Transport Service operate a daily shuttle for the Navy's new organized whole blood program. Planes wing westward to service Army, Navy, and Marine Corps. First stop on the trip of more than 6,500 miles is Pearl Harbor. Thanks to air transportation, refrigeration, and a preservative solution, whole blood in quantities can now supplement plasma in tropical temperatures. So effective is this development that blood retains 75% of its normal efficiency 21 days after it's drawn from the donor. Westward to Guam, central point for the distribution of blood to various fronts. Blood reaches Guam 45 hours after leaving donors in California. The cargo of whole blood is kept at a temperature of between 40 and 50 degrees Fahrenheit. The refrigerators are made of plywood, aluminum, and lightweight insulation material. At the base hospital, blood is taken from the central blood bank refrigerator for Navy and Army distribution. Whole blood, as distinguished from plasma, is required in many of the more serious cases. While plasma may save a man during the initial shock period, it fails when too great a loss of blood reduces oxygen in the system below a critical point. With the air transportation of whole blood, volunteer soldiers need no longer be the sole donors. To the westernmost of our Pacific ground operations, the Philippine Islands. Total time from San Francisco, less than 4 days. On 22nd November 1944, the first consignment arrives at Tacloban, capital of Leyte. The time from San Francisco has since been cut by 24 hours. 300 pints of whole blood a day is the goal for the Pacific. This is in addition to the 100,000 pints of plasma and whole blood already required weekly from the home front. Refrigerators can maintain the proper temperature for over 60 hours. On Leyte, one of our wounded receives California's contribution, establishing a milestone in medical history.